So I've been asked to look at this Legion Go. I believe it is running on Steam OS. Yeah. And apparently the USB ports don't work. So I know some of these, they can get frozen, and sometimes the only way to unfreeze it is to get the battery disconnected. I shall have to have a look and see. At first glance they don't look like they're damaged. Got the charger, which has got a fixed cable and a USB-C plug. Right, so before I go any further, let's take a quick look in the ports and in the plug. Right, microscope. Right. Ew. It's not my imagination, is it? That looks a bit weird. Huh? Is that melted? Right, let's try a closer zoom. That does not look good. Can I get some more light in there? That looks proper burnt. Yeah, that is burnt. Got a plastic toothpick thingy, dental flosser. Try that. So this one is looking decidedly burnt. And you can see it right there. There's like a hole in the piece that sticks out. Waiting for network. I ain't gonna get one at the moment. 8%. Yeah. Okay. So I just checked, and this unit is still under warranty. So I'm not going to open it. I will advise the customer that it looks like his charger has damaged the USB port, and I think they should do something about it. I don't think this is user inflicted damage or anything like that. So I think Lenovo should honor the warranty and fix it for him. So I think that will be the end of this video until I speak to him, and I'll let you know later what happens. Thank you for joining me, and I will ask you to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Have a good evening and a good morning or a good afternoon or whatever the hell it is. It's almost, well, it's way past midnight right now, so I'm tired. I'm going to bed. So, see ya.